The recipe for chicken and potatoes that surprised everyone, a quick and uncomplicated lunch. I'll start by cutting both sides to 6 chicken legs, this way I'm doing. We are going to make these cuts so that our chicken legs can be seasoned very well. Guys, this recipe with chicken legs and potatoes, it is delicious and is also super easy to make. I'm sure everyone will like the result. Once the cuts on both sides are done, I will add the 6 chicken legs to a bowl. And I'm going to spice it up by adding a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of oregano, a tablespoon of garlic powder, a tablespoon of paprika powder, a pinch of salt. And with my hands I'm going to season the chicken very well. At this moment I would like to know from which country or city you look at us, to send you a special greeting in the next recipe. The greeting in today's recipe is for Even Talib from Philippines, also for Babito Saint from Haiti, and Karabo from South Africa. Thank you for always seeing and enjoying our recipes. Already well seasoned, I will let the chicken marinate for 15 minutes, although if you leave it longer, you will get a better flavor. While the chicken is marinating, in a pot I will add 3 medium potatoes, cut in this way. And I will add enough water until they cover them completely. I will season it with a teaspoon of salt. Cover and let cook over medium heat for 10 minutes or until soft. After the time and the potatoes are soft, turn off the heat and drain all the water. In a frying pan I will add a tablespoon of butter, and I will stir until it melts completely. Once melted, I will add a little olive oil, in order to prevent the butter from burning. Now I'm going to add all the already seasoned chicken legs, and I'm going to brown it on both sides. While the chicken is browning, we will make the sauce. In a small bowl I will add a tablespoon of tomato paste. Then I'm going to add 200 milliliters of water, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of oregano, a pinch of black pepper, and I will mix very well until the sauce is dissolved. And that's how the sauce should be. Once the chicken on both sides is browned, I'm going to add a medium onion cut into julienne. Also 3 crushed garlic cloves. And I'll stir a little to fry the onion and garlic. Once the onion and garlic are sautéed, I will add the cooked potatoes that I had reserved, and I will incorporate it with the chicken. If you have come this far seeing today's recipe, that means that you are liking this recipe. So leave us here below the following message: I love chicken and potato, to send you a very special greeting. Now I'm going to add some dried parsley to it, and mix again. Then I'm going to add the sauce I've prepared. And to finish the juice of a lemon, I will mix a little to incorporate the sauce and lemon juice. Now I will cover and let cook for 15 minutes, or until the sauce is thick. And already our chicken legs with potatoes is ready. Look how delicious it has been, a perfect recipe for lunch or dinner. But I would like you to rate this recipe from 0 to 10 to know if you liked the result. Thank you for watching this recipe until the end. I hope you liked the result. Tell me if it's the first time you see one of my recipes. And if so, don't forget to subscribe on YouTube as Recipes Oni and activate the bell so you can always receive our recipes. A hug and see you in the next recipe.